Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we're unboxing a watch from, well, I'll pronounce it Eoniq. It's Eoniq. They reached out to me and offered to send over a watch. So the cool thing with this company is you can customize your watch. On their website, you can build up a watch to, your specifications. They have a couple different options. And this one is a dive watch with the skeleton dial. So let me pull this off the table. I pulled the pull tab, but I didn't open the package. So let's use my knife here, I guess. So yeah, this actually has a movement I've not heard of before. It's a skeletonized version of the Seiko NH35, 34 movement. It doesn't have a date. I guess that'd be the NH38 movement, but it's a skeletonized version of that. Inside of that package is actually still wet. It was rained on, but anyway, let's get this open here. So yeah, Eoniq. Like I said, I pronounced it Eoniq. Zoom in here a little bit. So all watches are individually assembled by in-house watchmakers of our micro artist studio in Hong Kong. By your personal craftsman. Okay. Looks like you have the opportunity to win a free strap if they use your picture. Oh, okay. Well, there's the watch there. Yeah, so they have a version of this watch with and without the dive bezel. And then there's, I think, 5 different variations of the dive bezel. I wanted this one that has kind of the Yachtmaster look where the markers are engraved or embossed, I guess, and then however you want to say that. But they have the stainless steel dial. They have a stainless steel case, black case. So yeah, let's check this out. A couple different options for the straps. Typically, I don't really wear divers on leather straps, but I wanted to check out this on leather. And then you can see there, I think you can see you can get laser engraving there. So I went with WTW. I was trying to get Wrong Time Watch on there, but I don't think it would fit on there very well. So I just went with the WTW there. You can pick different fonts and stuff like that. They have like a customizer where you can build it and you can see how it would look. So I think this is 60 click. Yeah, I'm gonna say that's 60 click. So let me know if you've seen this movement before. Again, this is a skeletonized Seiko movement. I believe it's NH72. I could be wrong. All right, so what do we have on the case back here? Assembled by hand. Automatic movement. Again, the brand name there. This looks like it's good to 200 meters water resistance. And then stainless steel case. I'll do a full presentation on this, and I'll leave a link in the description right to this watch, and then also the they have more like a field watch style. Not the easiest thing to tell the time with, right? It doesn't really have indices there, but cool looking nonetheless. Hopefully you can see that over there on your end of the camera. So yeah, hand winding, hacking. Let's put it to the 10 position. Should be right about there. You have the minute markers there on the chapter ring, so you kind of get a good idea what the time is. All right, let me put this on wrist and we'll close out the video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. It really does help me out. I like that blue. I don't know if I think I have an Islander with a bezel like this. But other than that, I really don't have that many watches with a bezel like that. And this should be genuine leather. Pelle Toscana. I'm not sure what that means, what language that's in. It looks like I could probably get it on the tightest position there, but we'll just go with the second tightest. And once it breaks in, I think I'll be able to tighten it up a little bit. There we go. Let me know what you think of this watch. And if you could, go check out the website and customize a watch. See if there's something you like on there. I have to see. I don't know if I have a discount code or not. I'll see if I can get a discount code and put that in the description as well. We'll zoom out here and then close out the video. Actually, I'm curious. Let's see. Sure has some sort of lume on the hands. Let me turn off the studio lights. Okay, so it looks like you have some lume on that chapter ring as well. Definitely on the hands and then on the chapter ring. So something a little bit different. Come on, back on. There we go. I'm having a hard time seeing that dial with the studio lighting here. It's kind of weird. All right, that will conclude this video. As always, thank you for your time and thank you for watching.